Hey, what's up, YouTube? It's your boy, Chris Keon. I'm here about to bring you 5 tips to help you grow your stream in 2020. I know you ready. You start your channel, you hit broadcast, you got 0 viewers, and you want to see how to make this go up to 5, 10, 15, even get partnered. Well, in this video today, I'm going to give you nothing but the tips and tricks to get you to your destination. And I hope you're ready, because I'm ready.
Pussy niggas love speak this until I pull up on them, slap them out with the fire. With your mama house, with your grandma house, keep shooting until somebody die. So many shots, the neighbor looked at the couch.
Networking, the first thing I want to talk to you about today. See, this isn't a dirty word. I know in the streaming space it can be considered as a negative term, but in reality, you can't be friends with everyone. You eventually make friends with hundreds of people, and you want to be everywhere at once, and that is literally impossible. I mean, I was having this issue myself. I was befriending so many different awesome streamers, and I was just hanging out with Afro, Blurterbites, and so many other different people, and I found myself in a situation where I wasn't able to keep up with people's stream schedule and build a lasting communication with these individuals. See, networking is simplifying where you spend your time. That might just be a catalog of this person streams this morning, this person streams at night. Let me go back and forth from this day to that day in order to communicate with these people and grow some kind of a lasting relationship. Being a streamer is all about community and unity. The second thing we want to talk about is variety streaming or single category streaming. Now, I don't want to spend a lot of the time on this because, let's say up front and simple, playing a single game will get you accustomed to the community and the audience of that game. Variety streaming is content based off of your personality, where people can decide if they enjoy you and what you do versus if they enjoy a certain category. Now, consistency is the key with either one of these that you're trying to do. If you're going to be a variety streamer, make sure you stick to your schedule, because you're going to be playing different things. You're going to be meeting different people over a course of time. So you want to always make sure that you're on time. If you're going to be playing a certain game, you have a little bit more flexibility in what you stream and how you stream that certain kind of game and what time slot, because you're always active in that one category. That one community of individuals can always find you. So again, when it comes to making this decision, you need to think about, am I the type of person that I feel like my value is me? I am the brand here. Is this the brand that I'm able to sell? This is who I am. This is why people want to be entertained. This is why people want to engage with me. Or if I'm an expert in this certain thing, and this is why people want to engage with me because of this. That's what you want to think about when it comes to picking your category. Third thing we need to talk about is how long you should stream. Now, a lot of people are diverse on this one. Some people want a long stream of 8 hours. Some people want short streams of 3 to 5 hour windows. See, here's the thing. If you're in the top of the directory and people are watching you and you have a maximum viewers for that category, it's understandable to stream 8 hours or more. That's totally understandable. But if you are in a directory and you're in the category and there is nobody really watching you, it's just maybe you, a couple of your bots, then you might want to think about limiting that stream and working on, you ready for it? Branding. Build content in that stream early. Make a YouTube video, make an Instagram video. Also put in your details about your Twitch in order for people to come to your stream and actually see when you're live. Take the time out to figure out what you're not doing. Maybe go back to step 1. Go make lasting relationships with other people that do the same thing that you do in order to actually bring in this audience. See, the stream window isn't as important as it seems. You can have a successful stream for 3 hours. You can have a successful stream for 2 hours. Or you can have a stream for 12 hours and no one ever shows up. So the window is honestly dependent on you and your content, and if you have an audience. So you don't want to overexert yourself and then you're just streaming for a long period of time for no reason. So that's what you really want to think about when you think about how long you should stream. The fourth thing I want to talk to you about today is creating content on your chosen platform. I support Twitch. I support YouTube, even with the things that I why am I talking about that? I do disagree with a lot that happen on YouTube. If you're on YouTube, you understand right now how it is with like making gaming content where they don't allow blood. But that's what my Twitch is for, I want to feel like. And I don't really make anything directed towards a younger audience. So I feel like I'm fine with that as well. But like I said, I support Twitch and I support YouTube. I like to use these kind of videos, maybe story time videos and reaction videos. I like to put it on my YouTube, and I like to do my gaming content and one-on-ones with you guys on my Twitch. I feel like that's the best place for that to live, and this is the best place for this to live. So, but you need to find out where is your market. If you're a new streamer, I'm telling you this right now, if you're a brand new streamer, do not take the affiliate contract with Twitch. It literally limits you. It limits you from doing what you need to do. If you're a brand new streamer, I repeat, do not get affiliated. Use Restream. Stream to as many different locations as you can until you build audiences in these different locations and you find out which one is better for you. You might not know. Facebook gaming might be the best place for you. Like, your family might support you a lot and they retweet and they share your stuff. Retweet, Facebook. They share your stuff all the time. And that might be the place where you get the most viewership. Or Mixer might be fantastic for you. Or YouTube gaming might be the best place for you. You don't know. So don't limit yourself and sign anything at the very beginning. Being someone that comes from a music background, I have to tell you for sure, don't sign nothing until you're for sure this is where you want to be and this is what you support. I support Twitch. I'm comfortable here. This is where I'm happy to be at. For a current moment in time, this is the platform for me. But you want to make sure it's the platform for you as well. So you do not want to do anything that's going to jeopardize your growth. Because at the beginning of this, you owe loyalty to no one but yourself. So you want to make sure you are making the best decisions for yourself. You need to grow your community by being on everywhere. Be as visible as possible in the early stages of your career in order to get noticed. And the fifth and most important thing I feel like we need to talk about is monitoring your mental health. Here's a real life story, y'all. So I started my experience with streaming in the year of 2016. It was really fun. I was still making music at the time. I was still performing. I held a full-time job, full-time parent. I was pretty much having the time of my life. 2017 happened. I got a very bad breakup, got into some denial, streamed off and on, kind of kept with it, started drinking, started doing a bunch of different stuff. 2018 came, it was out of control. I was out of control. It got really, really bad. 2019 came around. I ended up having like health issues that stopped me from streaming or even going to work. Monitoring your health and monitoring your mental health is very important, and I feel like it goes like by the wayside in these communities. A lot of people, don't act like the real world exists, and sometimes sending out a tweet or sending out a DM or just saying hi means a lot to a lot of people, and it's something that you really need to take care of. If you're going to want to be a broadcaster, it's going to come with long hours. It's going to come with a lot of dedication. You want to create content, and it's going to come with long hours. It's going to come with a lot of dedication. And at the end of the day, you want to make sure that you're well taken care of. You want to take care of yourself. You want to monitor yourself and make sure you're all right. Seek help if you need help. If you need to seek therapists, go seek a therapist. I fully support taking care of yourself. I want to thank everybody for watching this video. Leave a like in the video if you enjoy the content. If you want to talk about stream schedules or anything else streamer related, definitely leave a comment below. I would love to hear from you and respond to everyone. Don't forget to subscribe, and it's good seeing you all. See you later.